We have completed 30 days of HTML and CSS mini projects. And now I'm excited to show you how everything comes together in this final portfolio design. Hey everyone, I'm Aisha from CodeWithAysha. In this video, I'll be walking you through the finished portfolio section by section to show you how it all fits into clean, responsive layout. Before we get into the rest of the portfolio, let's start right at the top with the navigation bar. So here, I built a clean, simple navbar using HTML and CSS only, no JavaScript at all. You will see the brand name on the left and the navigation links on the right, the home, about, portfolio, skill. What is really nice is that this navbar stays responsive. If I shrink the screen, you will notice the layout automatically switches to a hamburger menu. And yes, this entire hamburger toggle is done with pure CSS, no JavaScript required, using the checkbox hack. Alright, so let's start with the hero section. This is the first thing visitors see when they land on the portfolio. I kept it clean, simple and centered, with a short introduction and a button that encourages people to explore the work. The background uses a soft gradient to stay consistent with the rest of the project we created in this challenge. And then the text is large and easy to read, which helps make a strong first impression. Overall, it sets the tone of a modern, responsive portfolio. Next is the About Me section. This is where I wanted to bring a little bit more personality into the layout. I use a circular profile image with a turquoise glow, something we practiced in earlier mini projects, and paired it with a short introduction. The goal here wasn't to write a full biography, but to summarize who I am, my background, and what I enjoy building. I also added a resume button so visitors can download it easily, and everything stays consistent with the color palette we have been using throughout the challenge. Next, we have the project section. One of the most important parts of any portfolio. This is where you show what you have actually built. To keep this video short and focused, I added just 3 portfolio cards. Each one represents a different type of component or layout that we built during our 30-day challenge, like the media player, the blog post, in the portfolio card. But in your own portfolio, you can absolutely add more cards here. You can showcase full projects, mini components, anything that reflects your growth. This layout is flexible, so you can add as many items as you want, and it will adjust nicely. Each card has a clean hover effect, a title and a short description, and a call to action button. That's our GitHub link. Moving down, we have the skill section. This section uses evenly spaced skill cards with icons, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React, GitHub, and more. It is a visual way to show what technologies I work with, and it keeps the design balanced with soft edges and a cool glow around the cards. Again, this follows the same style we developed throughout the challenge, keeping everything cohesive and polished. And finally, here is the contact section. This is a simple, clean form where visitors can send a message. I kept it simple on purpose, just the name, email, and message with a call to action button that stand out with our gradient style we have used earlier. This section is important on any portfolio and it helps complete the overall layout while keeping everything responsive and easy to use. Now I'm going to scroll through the code so you can see how each section was built. I won't go too deep into line by line explanation here since we covered all this technique during the 30 days series. But if you want to pause and follow along, you can. And the full source code is going to be available in my GitHub, so you can feel free to download, to clone it, and make it your own. And the CSS type. Okay. And that's the full walkthrough of the final portfolio. We took everything we learned from the last 30 days, gradient cards, layouts, animations, and clean styling, and all combined into one beautiful project. If you have been following the challenge, I hope you are proud of how far you have come. And if you decided to build your own version of this portfolio, feel free to add your own style and personality. Thank you for completing 30 days of HTML and CSS with me.